So the little shorter round head screws, I think, are the ones that go into these little standoffs that are on the camera protection and the camera mount. So let's see, I think one of them goes on the bottom. I think this is 1.5 millimeter. Double check. Let's see, so I think one of these goes on the bottom. Because if here on this, see on this part, for example, if you use the longer round head screws, I think it then will then protrude into this little hole here, which actually need to screw it onto the frame. So that's why you have to use the shorter round head screws on the camera mount. Let's see, where's the screw? This, like this. There's one there, and then I think the other one goes. Sorry, I try to keep my hands in frame. And then where's the other? The other one goes on the top. I'm just doing this pretty loosely because I'll probably have to take some of this apart when I install the electronics. I'm just building it up for reference, and then so you can see what it looks like. I should have one more short one. Oh, you know what? I dropped a short one on the floor. Hang on. I had to track down that errant screw. Alright, so there's the little camera cage. So, how does this go? I think it goes just like this. Those two holes there are going to line up with the two holes that are in the standoff. I think just like that. So, one thing that clears that on the bottom, you use the countersunk screws, because there are countersunk holes. So, one there like that. Let me just hold it in place. So I think that's going to go like that. And then here's the camera mount. Just do this loosely, more or less, just kind of finger tight. Get the other one going. Alright, so yeah, something like that. That's nice. It's fitting pretty well. Like that. And then get this one into the right, loosen it a little bit so I can twist it into the right position so that it's flat to the top. And then here's the little top plate. I think we'll go, yeah, it kind of locks in these little tabs here. Nice fit. Oh, is this countersunk? No, so it's just going to have these screws on the top here. I guess the only thing that's left are these longer ones, so it'll end up being the longer ones going through the top here. They're probably going to be too long and will stick through the standoff, but I guess that won't matter. Yeah, it's going to stick through the stand. See, those longer screws are going to stick through the standoff there. I might just look through my spares and see if I have anything shorter. I mean, I don't think that would get in the way of anything, but it just kind of looks a little ugly maybe. They should have included 2 more short screws. Alright, look at that. Coming together nicely. Well, I think basically it's done. There's one more. Oh, there's this brace here that goes in the front. So in terms of hardware, mine was very good. Everything fit, everything was correct. I'm not missing or have extras of anything. Ah, so there's the frame. That's nice. Fits together well. And then these 4 screws here, it comes with 4 remaining countersunk screws, which you can then use to put through the bottom to hold your whatever kind of standoffs you're using. It doesn't come with any standoffs, so it'll go like that. And I think the hardware I have will accept little screws. That's perfect. So, very nice. So there you go. Can you read that? 22.2 grams.